Let's see. What is Android System SafetyCore? Android System SafetyCore is a system service that provides safety features for Android service. Let's see the details. The Android System SafetyCore app is a pre-installed system service on Android device that provides core safety features, essentially acting as a functional layer for security functions on your phone, including protection against potential harmful apps and content. Functionality: it runs check on apps and content to identify potential malicious element, like malware, and can take action like blurring inappropriate images. This app is a part of Google Play Protect. This core safety functionality is integrated with Google Play Protect, which scans apps download from Google Play Store for potential threats.